In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create class diagram in Draw.io. In order to do that, first head over to drawio.com and from in there, just input right here the prompt that you want. Input right here, class diagram for business. Now in there, just head over and click on generate. Do take note that you don't need to log in or register in order to use Draw.io. It uses OpenAI to generate diagram as well. Now click onto this generate option in order to do this. Then this will open in here this new tab. Make sure as well that your JavaScript is enabled so it can create a diagram for you. So just wait for this to finish the loading process and it should be able to show you the diagram and generate it right here. Now we have in here this diagram that it has given us. You can see it right here, and as you have noticed, it has this branches and diagrams that we can utilize for our actual class system. So you can also enable the UML shape libraries by clicking onto this more shapes option and then scroll down. You can see UML right here and enable that altogether. Now you can find those shapes by expanding the UML right here, and then you can see those shapes such as this ones that we have right there. It's already been implicated and applied into this particular part as you have noticed, but you can also proceed to add some more if you think that there are something wrong with this diagram that's been generated. So just proceed to edit it. You can double click the text in order to edit it and also move the specific things right here by just selecting them and moving them right there. So just proceed to change out, and once you're done, you can share this or export it as a PDF in order to share to people. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.